You want to sell an item, you want to first enter the PLU, and it'll recognize the item and find its weight because this is a scale. And then if you have your scale set up properly, if you print the label, it should show the weight, which is 0.61 pounds, on the barcode with that 61 right there. And the product code, I have it set up as the same as the PLU. It's 001337. So now we're at the register, and we have our item with the label. And if you want to sell it, and you go to the register to begin transaction, it will not recognize that the weight is right there without our parser. It will just take the whole entire barcode and put in the product code. The real product code is only 6 digits like that. But you also need our app, which you get by going to More Tools, search, and the name is Weight Embedded Barcode Parser. So here I am at the app, and it says that we need to do one more thing. We need to go to Settings, Accessibility Services, and turn on its permissions. So let's do that. In the Settings, Accessibility, Weight Embedded Barcode Parser, turn it on. And then in the inventory, you need to find your item. And change from fixed price to per unit because we have per pound. The price is $33.33 per pound, and everything else. Make sure the product code is those 6 digits right there. Alright, and then you can go to your register. Let's turn new order. So there, new order. You scan the barcode. There's the item and the Weight Embedded Barcode Parser. Close that new item menu because it recognized that 6-digit product code, and it put the weight in there at the price rate and found the correct price, and now you can get your money.